Hello everyone, my name is Saurav Singh Kushwaha and I'm studying in IFS JBB College and in MTech IT 5th semester and I'm guided by Mr. Shaligram Prajapat sir. So let's start this assignment. So in this assignment the first question is basics of coding in Python. We are using Python here so we will be dealing with Python only. So let's start the assignment. So the first question is using comments in Python. So the comments are the essential elements in a code for readability and understanding of the code and what are the changes that have been made in the code. For example, if we are commenting something in a code, then the programmer that will be using the code will also understand what changes have been made in the code at what place. So this is really helpful in programming languages and programs. And the Python in Python the comments are written using hashtag in before the comments. For example, here we can see that here hashtag and hashtag are used before these line of statements. So these makes them comments because these do not have any meaning or function in the code but can be used to understand what this code is about. So this is really helpful in coding. Now executing commands in Python. So Python allows the execution of various commands such as installing libraries, running new codes, and using subprocess modules. So we can also see this with an example like executing. For example, we are importing a package. So here we can see that import rand int. So this way we can execute any program or import or any other stuff. Now let's see getting data into Python. So data can be read line by line using the open function in Python, and the open function can be used with the R mode to read data from a file. So R mode is used to read data from the file. We can see this with an example too. For example, see in this example, so getting data in Python. So open function is used where the doc1.txt it is the name of the file and this R is used as read as we have already seen, and then this file.read function has been called. Similarly, this file.write has been called, and for write we have using a. So this is this is the way of getting data into Python. Now the next thing is types of comments. So comments are basically of three types. There are single line comments, multi-line comments, and docstring comments. So the single line comments we have already mentioned earlier, and these multi-line comments are enclosed between triple quotes and can span over multiple lines. So if comments are large or we want to comment out some parts of the code, then we can use these multiple line comments. Now, the next one is importing packages or Python. So, what is package? So, package is basically a basically library of functions and properties that we can use in our code to implement some task. And if a programmer does not use package, and if he want to use function, he want to create some function that it will be really time consuming and errorsome. So, in order to increase the readability of these and reusability of the code, we are using packages. So packages are used by importing them. So the import statement is used to import a package in Python, which is allowing the use of modules through the program. For example, here we can see that from random import rand int. So here we are importing this rand int from random packages. So now if we can use this rand int function from this random package. So this is really helpful in completing some different difficult tasks in programming. Now the other module is saving output in Python, as we have uh, covered it earlier that we can use open function and then R for read and the A for write operation. In this way we can save output in Python. Now accessing records in variables. So accessing records involves working with data structures like lists, dictionaries or classes, and we can access them by using list dictionaries and they can be used to store multiple records which can be represented as elements. And there are several ways to access variables in Python. One way is to simply reference the variable by its name, and another way is to global function, so that global variables in the program. For example, we can see in this example 2, uh, see, here we are using A as integer, now B as string, C is a list which is type of data structure, and dictionary 1 is a dictionary which is also kind of data structure. So if we are printing here B, then we can see that here my name is coming because it is a string. When printing C1, so 1 is the index of this list, and index starts from 0, so 1 means sing, so here sing is written. And we are here wanting to print the dictionary 1 dot values. So if we are mentioning values, so it will not print the items, it will only print the values key. We will not print the key. So Saurav and 21 will be printed as you are seeing. So thank you for watching this video. We will move to the next video.